Well, so today in this video, I've got a brand new niche for you, which is creating these surreal fictional style AI generated videos. And believe me, guys, these videos just take 4 to 5 minutes to create. They are super easy and super effective. Like, take a look at the views like this channel creates all these kind of videos, and the views it gets are 35 million, 25 million, 12 million, and these are absolutely amazing. So yeah, in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you can create these videos, and also I'll be telling you a very amazing free AI video generator through which you can generate unlimited videos for absolutely free, like zero credits and no subscription, nothing at all. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, guys. So here's a channel that I found named as predmed_AI, and what they basically do is they upload all these kind of fictional surrealism AI content that doesn't seem real, but it's very interesting to see. Like, take a look at this one, an aeroplane whose face is like a dog, and there's another video which got 35 million views, in which the girl is driving a car which is entirely made of shoe, and then we have an aeroplane made of glass, and then we have some of the construction workers kind of thing. They are building a woman's face. So this is what they do. They create some fictional AI clips that seems very interesting, but obviously those are not real. So yeah, this is a very interesting channel, and in that I found a really amazing clip of these construction, like tiny construction workers who are basically constructing, like working on a food to create that. So this video, I really liked it so much, and I wanted to recreate that in my own style. Okay, so first of all, for creating videos just like this, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and take a screenshot of the clip. Like, you just have to take a screenshot and save it with yourself. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and take a screenshot of that, and then come to ChatGPT and simply paste your screenshot right over here. And for the prompt, you just have to provide to ChatGPT, like, describe this image as a prompt so that I can create this image in ChatGPT accurately. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to generate prompts with ChatGPT out of this image so that we can create our own version. Like, this is how simple it is. And then ChatGPT is going to provide me the complete prompt describing what's happening in the image and how we can create that. So our prompt is a surreal, humorous 9 by 16 vertical image of a frying pan on a stove with a blue flame underneath. Inside a pan are several golden crispy fried chicken drumsticks arranged in a circular pattern. Surrounding the chicken, there are tiny, highly detailed construction worker in bright orange uniforms, and all the information now we have in our prompt, which we can create images out of very easily. And then I basically typed in ChatGPT again, like, now similarly, this image, create me more prompts of variations of food. Like, you can create a pizza, hot dog, in which the same workers would be preparing the dish. And now I have my pizza construction prompt, hot dog, I have the burger one, taco, and all of these foods, right? So now comes our second step. We need to go ahead and create images out of these prompts. So for that, we're going to go ahead and use ChatGPT once again. I'm going to simply go ahead and copy paste this prompt to ChatGPT. And for that, first of all, I got this image, and take a look at this. This looks so accurate. Like, this was our reference image, and for that, it provided our variation, which looks slightly a bit of different style, but this is really, really good. And then I basically went ahead and created our second food, which was pizza. And for that, it provided me with this image. Yeah, it looks absolutely perfect. Okay. And then for our next one comes our hot dog. And for that, it provided us with this. And now it has basically, created a crane as well, where the hot dog is unloading on the bun. And then we have the burger. And for the burger one, it provided me with this image. Like, this is really, really good. And for the last one, taco, I provided us with this one. So yeah, all of these images are looking really, really good, right? So yeah, this is how easily you can create, first of all, prompts. Take a screenshot, paste it. It's going to provide you the prompts. You can create more variations of that. Then you can create images in ChatGPT again with the help of those prompts. So yeah, our first most important steps are completed. Now comes our next step. We need to go ahead and animate these images into videos. And as promised, we're going to be using all free AI tools. Yeah, you can create images in ChatGPT free. You can create 3 images, and if you want to go ahead and create more, you can use different accounts to create that, as I have so many accounts with me. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and convert these images into videos. So for that, I'll be using this free AI video generator named as dreamina.capcut. And initially, if you guys see, we can't get the access to video generator, right? It's saying beta, and I I cannot click into that. It's not officially saying coming up soon. So what I can do to access this feature, I'm gonna go ahead and open any VPN. Like I have my hotspot shield with me. I'm gonna go ahead and connect my PC to a VPN. I'm gonna hit connect. And once my VPN is connected, we're gonna go ahead and try to refresh this page once again. And now once it's refreshed, you will see now we get the option to generate video. And believe me guys, this AI video generator right now is completely free. Like you can see, I have 0 credits with me right now, but still it's giving me the option to generate, like try free. And I've been using this AI video generator for quite a weeks now, and it's still free. You can generate as many variations as you want. There's no queue. It's going to generate the outputs for you right away, right? So and now once my all the images are created with ChatGPT, I'm going to go ahead and paste my first image over here, which was, you guys know, was of my fried chicken on which my construction workers were working. And in the prompt box, you just need to go ahead and provide the information like all the tiny construction workers are working, like doing construction work constantly on the chicken to prepare it, right? I just basically describe what will be going on in the video. So this would be my prompt. And for the model, make sure you select Video S2 Pro because it's going to provide realistic motion and natural camera moment, okay? And for the second, it will be 5 second. Aspect ratio will be default, obviously, according to the image. And I'm going to go ahead and click on generate. And as you guys can see, there won't be any queue. It's going to start generating my video right away. And within just 1 to 2 minutes, our video will be generated. All right. And just like that, it has basically provided the video for us. And take a look at this, you guys. Looks really, really good. The construction workers are working on the chicken. And similarly, I basically went ahead and, just animated all of my images that I created with ChatGPT. And now we can go ahead and simply download all of them one by one, okay? All right, so once all of my videos are done, so the next step is we need to go ahead and combine all of these videos together. We need to go ahead and do a bit of editing. So I'm going to import all of my clips right over here and simply just drag it to the timeline. And for the background music, I'm going to go ahead and simply take the background music from Instagram. I'm going to download this audio and simply drop it on my timeline here and do a bit of editing and simply need to go ahead and export it. And once it's done, here's my final output. It's going to look like. All right, so there you have it, guys. This was the easiest method to create these kind of surreal fictional AI clips. These are super easy to make. They hardly take about 4 to 5 minutes to create these kind of videos. And once you upload it, you can go ahead and get up to millions of views and millions of followers on these kind of videos very easily. Like you guys know, AI is the way to go in 2025. So I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.